Hello and welcome to the Tech Fact blog podcast, your destination for learning, exploring, and growing with the world of technology. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just beginning your journey in web development, you're in the right place. And here's something special. Listening to our podcast episodes will not only keep you updated with the latest tech trends, but will also help improve your English listening skills. You'll learn how to follow natural conversations, pick up new vocabulary, and hear real-world pronunciation, all while absorbing valuable content. So, if you want to sound smarter and speak better English, keep listening and try repeating phrases aloud. Today's episode is all about the complete roadmap to becoming a WordPress developer in 2025. This is one of the most in-demand roles on the internet right now, and we'll guide you through every step, one by one. What exactly is a WordPress developer? A WordPress developer is someone who specializes in building and customizing websites using the WordPress platform. WordPress is a content management system, or CMS, that now powers over 43% of the internet, and that number is only growing. Developers work either on the front end, focusing on what users see, such as design, layout, and interaction, or on the back end, which involves deeper functionality, like databases, plugins, and server-side code. In 2025, being skilled in WordPress means you can build blogs, business, sites, portfolios, and even full-scale e-commerce platforms, all while working remotely or freelance, from anywhere in the world. Step 1. Learn the fundamentals of web development. Before you even touch WordPress, having a strong foundation in basic web technologies is critical. First, master HTML. This is the language that structures your content. It tells the browser what a heading is, what a paragraph is, what a button is, and so on. Then dive into CSS, which controls the styling. Want a red button? Want spacing between sections? Want a responsive layout? CSS does that. Finally, get comfortable with JavaScript, the language that adds behavior and interactivity to websites. For example, if you want a drop-down menu, a slider, or a form that gives live feedback, JavaScript makes it happen. These three languages form the core of the modern web, and every WordPress developer should know how to write, read, and debug them. Step 2. Understand the WordPress ecosystem. Now that you've got your basics, it's time to understand how WordPress actually works. WordPress is open-source software that lets you build websites without starting from scratch. But under the hood, it's very powerful. You'll need to understand the WordPress dashboard, where most of the magic happens. Here you can manage content, change themes, install plugins, and more. It's also vital to know the difference between WordPress.com and WordPress.org. The former is hosted and limited, while the latter is self-hosted and offers complete freedom, which is what developers use. Remember to explore Gutenberg, the block editor introduced in recent years. In 2025, it will become even more advanced, enabling full-site editing, reusable blocks, and complex layouts without extra plugins. Step 3. Learn PHP, the language behind WordPress. WordPress is built on PHP, a server-side programming language. To become a real developer, you must understand the basics of PHP. Learn how to use functions, how to write conditional logic, and how to loop through data. You'll use PHP to interact with the WordPress database, create custom post types, and build your own plugins and themes. You'll also work with things called hooks, actions, and filters. These allow you to change how WordPress behaves without editing core files, which is a best practice. In 2025, WordPress is still heavily dependent on PHP, so this step is absolutely non-negotiable. Step 4. Theme development. Build what people see. Next, you'll move into theme development. This is the process of designing and coding the actual appearance of a WordPress website. You'll learn about core files like index.php, style.cs, header.php, and functions.php. Each plays a specific role in how a page is rendered. Understanding. The template hierarchy is key in theme development. It tells WordPress which file to load for posts, pages, categories, and so on. Bonus tip for 2025, get familiar with block themes and full-site editing, FSE. This is the future of WordPress. Theme building. FSE allows users to customize headers, footers, and templates directly from the admin interface. Step 5. Plugin development. Add functionality. Plugins are what give WordPress its superpowers, from contact forms and SEO tools to payment systems and security, all done via plugins. As a developer, you must understand how to use, customize, and eventually build plugins. A plugin is just a PHP file, or a group of files, that hooks into WordPress to perform certain actions. For example, you could build a plugin displaying custom pop-ups or logging user activity. Learning plugin development allows you to monetize your skills, because developers often sell or license plugins for profit. Step 6. Learn about hosting and domains. As a WordPress developer, you'll need to help clients set up their websites, which means understanding web hosting and domains. Learn how to choose between shared hosting, VPS, and cloud hosting based on the project. You'll also work with cPanel, FTP clients like FileZilla, PHPMyAdmin for database access, and domain DNS settings. This is often overlooked, but it's crucial for becoming a trusted, full-stack WordPress professional. Step 7. Work with page builders and block editors. In 2025, time is money, and clients want fast results. That's where page builders like Elementor, Bricks, and Cadence blocks come in. These tools offer drag-and-drop functionality, custom widgets, and responsive design options, all with little to no coding. A good WordPress developer uses page builders when appropriate and code when necessary. Learn to combine both approaches for maximum impact. Step 8. Master WooCommerce for e-commerce development. If you want to build online stores and earn well, you need to master WooCommerce. WooCommerce is a powerful plugin that turns WordPress into a full e-commerce platform. You'll need to understand how to configure product pages, set up shopping carts, handle payments, and integrate shipping options. Learn how to customize templates, improve store performance, and secure customer data. In 2025, businesses of all sizes are moving online, and WooCommerce skills are in massive demand. Step 9. Use Git and version control. Whether you're working solo or on a team, using Git is essential. Git helps track changes in your code, so if something breaks, you can go back. You can also collaborate with others, merge code, and keep everything clean and secure. Create a free account on GitHub or GitLab and start practicing basic commands like commit, push, pull, and branch. Step 10. Practice, build, and launch real projects. Knowledge means nothing without real practice. Start building personal projects. Recreate websites you like. Offer to build sites for friends or nonprofits. Every project builds your portfolio, sharpens your skills, and gives you confidence. It's also your ticket to getting hired. Final step, monetize your skills. Once you're confident, explore freelancing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even launch your own service site. Offer services like website building, maintenance and security, speed optimization, plugins, and theme customization. You can also join agencies or land remote jobs, as more companies are hiring WordPress developers globally in 2025 than ever before. That brings us to the end of this complete roadmap to becoming a WordPress developer in 2025. Remember, listen to this podcast again and try repeating the explanations out loud. It will help improve your English fluency, expand your vocabulary, and strengthen your tech understanding. For full written details, examples, and resource links, read the full blog on our website, techfact.site-roadmap, WordPress Developer 2025, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, TechFact, where we upload more podcasts, tutorials, and AI tools weekly. Until next time, keep learning, building, and exploring more tech facts with TechFact.